Owning a home comes with its fair share of responsibilities, and home repairs are inevitable. Whether it's a leaky faucet, a broken window, or a faulty electrical connection, there's always something that needs fixing. Taking matters into your own hands can be daunting and time-consuming. That's where professional handyman services companies come to the rescue. In this article, we will explore the benefits of hiring a professional handyman service for your home repair needs. Expertise and skill. One of the primary advantages of hiring a professional handyman service company is the expertise and skill they bring to the table. These companies employ experienced and qualified professionals who have the knowledge and training to tackle a wide range of home repairs. From minor repairs to complex projects, they have the expertise to handle it all efficiently. Time and cost savings. Attempting to fix home repairs on your own can often lead to more significant problems or costly mistakes. Professional handymen have the necessary tools and equipment to get the job done right the first time. They know the most efficient methods and have access to high-quality materials. By hiring a professional, you save valuable time and money in the long run. Wide range of services. Professional handyman. Service companies offer a wide range of services to cater to various home repair needs. Whether it's plumbing, electrical work, carpentry, painting, or general maintenance, these companies have skilled professionals in each area. Hiring a professional handyman service eliminates the need to find multiple contractors for different repairs, simplifying the process for homeowners. Safety and insurance. Certain home repairs, such as electrical or plumbing work, can be hazardous if not handled correctly. Professional handymen are trained to follow safety protocols and ensure that repairs are done safely and efficiently. Moreover, reputable handyman service companies carry liability insurance, protecting both you and the workers in case of any accidents or damage during the repair process. Reliability and convenience. When you hire a professional handyman service company, you can expect reliable and prompt service. These companies value their reputation and strive to deliver quality workmanship and exceptional customer service. They understand the importance of timely repairs and work around your schedule to ensure convenience. This reliability and convenience provide peace of mind, knowing that your home repairs are in capable hands. Long-term maintenance. Apart from handling immediate repairs, professional handyman services can also assist with long-term home maintenance. They can offer advice on preventive measures and identify potential issues before they become major problems. Regular maintenance visits by a professional handyman can help extend the lifespan of your home systems and save you from costly repairs down the line. When it comes to home repairs, hiring a professional handyman service company is a wise investment. Their expertise, efficiency, and range of services make them the go-to solution for homeowners. By trusting these professionals, you can save time, money, and effort while ensuring that your home repairs are completed to a high standard. So, the next time you have a repair project on your hands, consider enlisting the services of a reliable and trustworthy professional handyman service company.